Good morning, everyone. Henry here from Georgetown Chevrolet. Check out this 2023 Chevrolet Bolt. This is a premier trim, and it does have the red line package. Gives you the nice black wheels with the red hash marks. You got a little bit of red on the mirrors as well. There will be a red badge on the back. This is a GM company car. It's fully loaded. There you go, black badges. There's the other red badge that I was talking about. It's got two sets of tires, one set of rims. So you've got these rims, but with the two sets of tires. It's got the Bose audio, power driver's seat. You got a nice panoramic sunroof, HD surround vision. So you've got all the cameras. Check that out. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, CarPlay and Android Auto, and only 10,000 kilometers. Get up to about close to 400 kilometers on a full charge on these in the summer. So pretty good range, and these are a very, very good value. These do not last long. So if you'd like any more information on this unit or any of the other ones we have on the lot here, please feel free to give me a call or text 647-269-7840. Again, my name's Henry. Thank you so much for watching.